But yeah, what should I do this week when I come over?
Okay, we have to get rid of.
Okay, watch this. Come real close.
I've already started to dig out a post your dad wants.
That one?
Yep, I've already started to dig it out. I figure if he could get that tractor going, he could just pull it down. But the bigger the hole we get, the better. Look at this is Ben taking the whole swarm of bees and putting them in that box, and now they're swarming again, and we are in the middle of the swarm. We are not happy.
Check out the few bees sometimes.
Was that an empty box?
Yes.
So you can start on that.